Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today we are doing a comparison between the monthly and the annual subscription cost for OpusClip. We're going to look at the billing cycle, the pro price and the savings. Now if we are doing the monthly plan for the pro price, it is $29 per month, but for what you save, actually nothing. But if you do the annual plan, it costs you $288 per month, per year actually, $288 per year, and you get to save approximately $60 annually. So you can see that annual billing is best if you are in it for the long haul and want to reduce your average monthly cost. Now you might be wondering, is there an OpusClip free trial? The answer is yes. OpusClip offers a 7-day free trial of the Pro plan. You can test all premium features including B-roll, advanced captions, and export options before committing. There is also a free forever plan with basic clip anything access, 60 credits per month, watermarked clips, and 3-day export storage. Now, let's compare OpusClip pricing to other video editors. When you compare OpusClip to other AI video editors or video clipping software, OpusClip delivers excellent value because compared to this script, which costs about $30 to $60 per month but lacks automated B-roll and variety scoring, OpusClip wins. If we compare to vid.io that costs about $38 per month and gives you watermark free exports and theme features, OpusClip is still better. And lastly, if you compare it to Pictory that costs about $23 to $47 per month and is focused on text to video, OpusClip still comes up on top. So what are the strengths of OpusClip? OpusClip strengths are 1. More automation like clip anything, reframe, and scheduler. It is better for short form virality and it has lower entry point with team friendly features. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try today.